my dear listeners, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great time. Today, in the soft skills concept, I'm going to begin with an assumption that we all must be having a role model or a mentor in our life. And we really admire their skills and habits. One such skill that we are going to talk about is time management skill. Now, time management is nothing but self management because we cannot go back and pause the time or rewind the time, but we can manage ourselves according to the time. So it is actually self management skill. Now, God has been very kind and impartial by allotting 24 hours to each one of us, irrespective of our age, gender, or community. But few of us are able to manage the time effectively, while few of us have long pending list of work. Now, we say that, and we have also heard कि अरे मुझे time ही नहीं मिला वो काम करने के लिए. So it is not that हमें time नहीं मिला. The fact is that हमने शायद वो काम को ज़्यादा seriously नहीं लिया होगा या उसे priority पे नहीं रखा होगा. That is why हम वो काम कर नहीं पाए. Having said that, let us have a look on 3 time stealers. The things or the habits that steal our time. जो हमारा time चुराते हैं. First habit is getting up late. Now, the people who get up late will obviously sleep late. So, on an average, time उतना ही होता है. But the tendency is the work that we do in early hours gives us more productivity than the work that we do in late hours. So, it's better we get up little early. Second time stealer is habit of procrastination. It's really very dangerous and harmful. Procrastination means unnecessary delaying our work. Without any logic, जब हम अपना काम को टालते रहते हैं, that habit is known as procrastination. And the only way to crack that is to do it and complete it. Third stealer is the habit of getting indulged in social media for long hours. Now, social media is an inseparable part of our life. Let's accept it. And that is okay to spend some time. But sometimes we say that चलो 5 मिनट देख लेते हैं what's happening around us, and वो 5 मिनट का कब 50 मिनट हो जाता है we do not realize. So it's better we keep a proper track on the time that we utilize for social media. Now these were few of the time stealers जो हम manage कर सकते हैं. Now after time stealers, let us discuss on some effective techniques to manage time. These techniques are useful for everyone, like student, college student, school student, homemakers, entrepreneurs, employer, employee, for everyone. First technique is 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule is also known as Pareto's principle. This is really very interesting, and time निकाल के एक बार ज़रूर ये principle देखिएगा. It's really interesting. Now this technique says that 20% of the work that we do can give us 80% results, and 80% of the work that we do can give us only 20% results. Now our challenge is कि हमें वो हमारा 20% काम ढूंढना है जिससे हमें 80% results मिल सकता है, और हमें उसको पहले करना है, और simultaneously हमें वो भी काम observe करना है जो हम 80% करते हैं पर सिर्फ 20% result आता है, और वो हमें बाद में करना है. Second technique is ABC model. Now this technique says that we should divide our work in A, B and C category. A category में obviously वो काम आएंगे जो काफ़ी urgent है, the work that needs to be done as earlier as possible. B category में वो काम आएंगे जो urgent नहीं है but important है, that has to be done like in a day or a 2 or in a week's time. It's important for us to do. We cannot skip it. कैटेगरी सी में वो काम आते हैं जो अर्जेंट नहीं है और इम्पॉर्टेंट भी नहीं है, बट वी विश टू डू, बट देन वो काम भी हमें करने हैं एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. नाउ इट्स वेरी सिंपल दैट वी नीड टू प्रायोरिटाइज द वर्क दैट इज मेंशन्ड इन ए कैटेगरी, देन बी एंड देन सी. प्रॉब्लम अराइजेस व्हेन वी डू द वर्क दैट इज मेंशन्ड इन सी कैटेगरी, एंड देन क्या होता है कि टाइम आता है जब ए कैटेगरी के लिए तो हमारे पास उतनी एनर्जी और एंथुजियाज्म नहीं बचता है, एंड वी स्किप दैट वर्क. सो दैट शुड नॉट हैपन. वी हैव टू गो ए, बी एंड सी, सच कैटेगरी. नेक्स्ट टेक्निक, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इज मेंटेनिंग टू डू लिस्ट. It's a very systematic technique what we have to do is very simple. We have to bring down our thoughts, our work that is in the mind to the paper to make it complete. Otherwise our work will just fly away in the air. टू डू लिस्ट में हमारे काम लिखना, जब काम हो जाता है उसे क्रॉस करना, एंड देन अगेन एडिंग द वर्क दैट वी हैव टू डू, इट मेक्स अस अ वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड पर्सनैलिटी. It develops a very good habit in us to work in a very systematic manner within the given time frame. It is not as difficult as that. Now it is just about forming a new habit, and whenever we form a new habit, we must remember a quote that says that first we make the habits and then habits make us. So this was about self-management skills. Do share this video with everyone. Like and subscribe to my channel if you wish to know more about soft skills concept. Also let me know that which technique would you like to aspire to adopt to enhance your self-management skills. So is there anything else you would like to know about this concept?